baggage handling system, it is evolving very rapidly from a tracking of bags perspective and data perspective, much like many other industries. One big issue in the past with baggage handling was each bag gets a barcode that gets attached to it, and we rely on an array of barcode readers to read that barcode. Sometimes that tag gets tucked underneath the bag. Sometimes the tag can get torn or orientated in a way to where it's not being read. Several airports are moving to an RFID system, so rather than have a visual barcode that has to be scanned, an RFID tag will be attached to that bag, and then an RFID reader will be on the conveyor line to get much more reliable readability of that bag. So where it becomes problematic if we can't read the barcode on the tag is when we sort the bag to the proper conveyor till it gets in the proper gate or the proper plane. If we can't read that tag, that bag has to go to what they call a jackpot, or a place where a person has to manually go over, read the tag, and then take it over to the proper plane. With RFIDs, much more better reliability as far as reading that means a lot more accurate sortation of that bag, so it eliminates a lot of missorts on the baggage handling system, which ultimately means bags get to their passengers in a much more reliable way. One new technology that's emerging very rapidly in the baggage handling industry is what's called the MQ technology. The MQ technology stands for message queuing. What this does is sends us bag messages from the airlines, and these messages get queued up so the baggage handling system can read them. And what this does is it tells us for a particular bag what flight number is this bag going to. By having access to the flight number of that bag, we can then make a sortation decision based upon what flight that passenger is going to and sort that bag to the proper makeup unit. Smart controls and baggage handling systems give us the ability to log critical events to a bag as the bag has gone through the sortation or the baggage handling system. So at different key points in the process, when the bag is read by the baggage handling system, the airline knows exactly where that bag is. So if the airline is trying to load a plane and they're missing some bags, they can see how far away those bags are from being able to be loaded onto the plane. Gives them better visibility to how soon that plane can depart. Also gives them better information to pass on to customers for where their bags actually are as well in the process. As far as, okay, the bag was seen at this sortation system, we got your bag loaded on the plane. A lot of the apps now give passengers notifications about your bags. So by having smart controls and baggage handling systems, we can get that data to both the airlines and the passengers a lot faster.